So JBL finally did it. They sent me a product. I hit them up on the email. I was like, hey, I know I'm a small YouTuber, but I'd love to have some more JBL products on this channel because I can't afford them all. They took a look at the channel. They liked it, so they sent this. So we're about to unbox the Pulse 4. Check it out. See what it has to offer. I'm pretty excited. I always see these in the stores, but I never could pull the trigger on one, but we got one here. So let's check out what it sounds like and it looks like together. So this one was already sliced and diced, so all we gotta do is just open it. So you got a nice little package, you know, nice little opening right there. A little style, a little pizzazz. Just in case, you know, I wanna read you guys a book. You got a little protector right there. And then there goes your Pulse, just in there chilling. We'll pull this bad boy out. And this thing is heavy. Woo, this thing got a little weight to it. As you see, you got your padding on there. Man, does this thing have wires? Oh, there it goes, hiding right here in the sleeve. All your wires and stuff. So let's check that out first. See what you get with this thing. First, I gotta open it first. All right, so we got our quick start guide and stuff and all that, as always, in, you know, your safeties and instructions all in this little bag right here. And then, what else we got? USB Type-C charging cable, nice. So we got that in there, and that's about everything in there. And now, the granddaddy of them all. So let's pull out this speaker and check it out. Oh! Man, this thing is straight glass. Like, this thing is not playing around. Oh yeah, this is nice. This is a nice little speaker. You guys can see right there. The light's probably bouncing off. Let's turn it on. You got the power button up here. So I know these are going for like $250 right now from when I looked on Amazon. So the Pulse 4 is going for $250. It supposedly has how many hours battery life? You got 12 hours of battery life in this thing, which is not bad. I wonder what it is, you know, full blast. It'll probably be 10 hours range. But yeah, this thing, man, this thing is nasty. Look at that. Check that out, buds. Look at the speaker and all its beauty. You check it out. See right here at the top, you got your play button, your volume buttons. If we spin it around a little bit, you got your link button, and it looks like a brightness button. Oh, a light button right there. Oh, check that out. That's pretty nice. If we turn it again, you have your power button and your Bluetooth button. So let's hit it. Oh, that was pretty cool. I like that. Come on. Come on. And there it goes. Turn it back on. And yeah, that's everything. And in the front, you got your JBL logo, and you got your charging port right in the back there. I like that, the different lights. We'll check, let's test them out right now. I'm gonna connect my phone, and then let's see how the light show goes. Let me find my phone. So we're looking, right when you press the Bluetooth button, it shows up. So let's connect, and let's get some music playing. All right, we got a song picked out. Let's look at the light show. Oh, when you turn it up, the whole thing fills up. That's tight. There it goes. I like that. All right, let's look at the different light shows. Let's check it out. right, so the light show, I'm gonna do a night one for you. I'm gonna just turn everything off so you guys can just see the lights go off by itself. But I really like the design of this thing. It would definitely be my at-home speaker. I want to have it out and about. It's just too fly. I feel like it just needs to be at home, posted on your computer, your gaming setup, your PC setup, any of that. And I don't know, this thing is heavy, and man, this thing is most likely plastic, but it just looks and feels like glass. This thing is so nice, but you can feel the weight of it too. It even has the weight of like glass, but I know it's probably a plastic. Feels like kind of a plastic. So I'm definitely gonna do a full review on this speaker. I'm gonna connect it to my PC, use it for a week, get to know the speaker, get to hear what it sounds like, and I'll give you a full review in the week ahead. So right now I'm gonna put the speaker behind me and turn off all the lights so we can see the lights do a little bit more of the LED inside this speaker. But if you like this unboxing, please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe. And to all my subscribers now, thank you so much for subscribing. I really do appreciate it. I'll see all of you in my next video. Enjoy the little light show. Peace.